Body Beacon Australia here with another how-to video. One of the questions we get asked quite a bit is how waterproof is the Body Beacon? Well, it is rated to IP66 standard, which will allow it to be totally immersive in water. Let's prove it. We have our body beacon here at the moment. This is one of our red and blue body beacons. And I'm going to put it into some water. We have our water. Let's totally submerge the body beacon in the water. Right, so you can see now the body beacon is totally submerged in the water there. Okay, one other question that we've received in the past is, can the body beacon float on water? Now the reason why we got this question is that it was being trialled by a local rowing club. Sure will. Look at that. And there you have it. That's how waterproof our body beacons are.